Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Dragonpass Lounge Access. Perfect if you're a frequent traveler and want to make your airport experience a little more comfortable. So alright, let's get into it. First off, Dragonpass isn't a free service, so you'll need to buy a membership plan. You can do this by visiting Dragonpass website or downloading the Dragonpass app on your phone. You can pick a plan that fits how often you travel, whether that's a few trips or multiple flights every month. And once you've paid, you'll receive a membership number or activation code. You need to keep this safe. It's basically your key to accessing airport lounges. Next, you want to open the Dragon Pass app and register using your email. When prompted, enter your membership number or activation code to activate your account. Without activation, you won't be able to use any lounges, so make sure you complete that step. Now, after activation, you want to log into your app and you can start searching for available lounges in the airports you will be traveling through. The app gives you all the useful details like lounge names, opening hours, amenities, and even directions inside the airport. Super handy when you're rushing between terminals. And when you get to the airport, simply open your Dragon Pass app and just show them your digital membership card or scan the QR code at the lounge entrance. Because once you're verified, you'll be granted access. And then you can just sit back, relax, and enjoy the Wi Fi, snacks, drinks, and other lounge perks while waiting for your flight. And basically, that's it. You're now ready to use your Dragon Pass Lounge Access like a pro. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.